Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Parmesan crisp full guide. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment. Grate cold Parmesan finely and measure evenly. Spoon small 1 tablespoon mounds spaced 2 inches apart, flatten slightly with the back of a spoon, and bake until golden brown and lacy. Cool on the sheet for crisping, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling before serving. Gather ingredients and tools before starting to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Use a block of Parmesan and grate it yourself for better melt and flavor. Prepare a baking sheet with parchment and preheat to 375 degrees F so the cheese begins to set on contact. Portion the cheese into uniform mounds using a measuring spoon to ensure even baking and identical crisps every batch. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I use to set timers and play music while cooking. It pairs perfectly with hands-free kitchen work. Check the description for the link and other deals you might like, then relax and enjoy the process. Now let's get back to the video. Timing and variations make these crisps versatile and reliably crisp every time. Watch closely in the final minutes. Ovens vary and a minute can change texture from perfect to burnt. Try folding in finely chopped herbs, cracked pepper, or a pinch of smoked paprika for flavor twists. For larger bowls or Parmesan lace, space mounds further and bake an extra minute. Always cool completely to maintain snap and structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.